definitely have kulangot in those photos. My sipon is everywhere.
May tissue.
Hindi naman masama. Nakagano lang siya.
Nakalawit lang, may hangin.
Tumatanda na tayo. Bakit? Nararamdaman ko na siya.
The Heart Evangelista. Spanish.
Habla en español? Sí, ¿por qué no? We miss you, Mom.
CPO.
Ganda-ganda mo.
Ano tingin mo naman today? Cassie. I loved it. It was so nice. I think that was my favorite show. Colors, everything.
Here it is. One more.
Go, let's see. I'll see you later. See you guys. Lanvan.
Face in here.
Ganda ni Misty! Lintik ka! Ang galing mo! Courage. Welcome to another day. What is the bag? Not necessarily a bag, but it's a Kelly wallet, which I added a chain to because it was a gift from a fan. Remember, her name was Lillian. She had her bag painted by me like 2014-15-ish. Candy, lipstick, a little concealer to get hives because I'm so excited to see the show. This is also, it's also from Hermes. It is a compact mirror gifted to me by my lawyer. Shout out attorney. And we are going to the show. Pwede ka mag-iba pang ano sa
Perfect!
Red flags that you can...
But that's the whole
Heart! Heart!
Heart on your right. Yeah.
Dito yung leeg mo. Ito yan. Tama. Tapos yung sisa.
Asan mo?
Perfect.
Galing naman. One take lang.
Naman, sa kanya ko mainit pa.
If this world were mine. Hey, Mama no 7 days driving like people driving like it's hot. Hey, strictly with that
Sis, matangkad ka talaga. Naano na ako dito sa mga kalapati na to. Mababa ang lipad.
Picturean din kita.
Saan mo gusto? Okay, next. Let's go to Georgia Bacon.
Keep going. Merci.
And this is how I'm gonna spend the night. And I'm gonna say goodnight. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed today. Bye.
Action. Action.
Good morning! It is the second day before we leave. Today we are very light. We have Lacoste. After that, après we have Acris. Duma we have Zimmerman. And then the next day, I'm gonna see Manila. Super fun, but let's just carry on. Naka-recover. Uwi ko sa Manila. I'm gonna go back to my workout. I'm gonna do my ice skating. Hindi ako kain ng sugar. Tapos magkikim-skim na ako. Diet na agad. Pero ngayon,
Sa seatbelt mo.
bakit? Yung pabango ko. May ano siya, may perfume. Ano lang yan?
Hindi.
Ano sis?
Lasang mabango.
Lasa
Hindi.
ba bango?
Okay siya.
O, try again.
Okay siya.
Baka yung iba sis, meron pa try pa.
Okay na ako. Over sugar na tayo, mga sis.
Last na.
Me too, last na.
Ito si Mom eh. 9 steps na.
Party.
Wow! Thank you for buying the bag.
Yes, I'm preparing this for you because alam kong dadating ka sa Lacoste.
God, thank you. She bought her outfit for
Inspired by you, huh?
Pinipicture na Andre. Ito naka-green.
Ay, pogi kasi.
Ayan. Andre, oh, dyan na oh.
Konti na nga lang yung
Ganda, Andre, oh.
Hindi na dala yung mirror.
Fault me, fault. Sorry.
Hindi pwedeng patay mali siya dito.
Wala akong dalang medyas.
Maliit na bagay lang naman. Pero pwede.
Sorry na. Kasalanan ko.
Patapos na.
Oo nga. Eto na din.
Kata.
Walang medyas.
Everybody makes mistakes.
May medyas ako, papahiram ko na nga eh. Ilan ba?
Kailangan ko ng blow dryer.
Tulong-tulong tayo.
Hindi. Gusto ko mainit.
Magaling.
Dito muna tayo.
No! I make space for you.
Wait, you're so kind and so easygoing.
We have to be.
You're like blowing me away.
We have to be.
Oh my god, heart, this
So
is
nice,
insane.
yes.
The bag.
Super nice, yes.
Gorgeous.
Last show, after I just have a Frankie shop thingy, and then I have a Harper's Bazaar recap of Fashion Week that you've already seen, but that was it. We'll say our goodbyes later, or maybe no goodbyes.
Okay, I'm just shooting pictures.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We have a guest here. A gentleman. We have a gentleman here in the car.
Exactly.
In the presence of a gentleman.
This is a private viewing. We end it with this. Cookies and cream. That was Paris Fashion Week. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let's all take a bow.